Learn fast. Listen better. Subscribe for simple English. Did you know that Nike's iconic logo was designed for just $35? Nike is one of the largest and most recognized brands for sportswear and equipment in the world. With a rich and eventful history, it has carved out a special place in the sports and fashion industry. Nike was founded in 1964 under the name Blue Ribbon Sports by Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman. Phil Knight, a former runner from the University of Oregon, and Bill Bowerman, a track and field coach, decided to start a business importing Japanese sports shoes from the brand ASICS into the U.S. After a while, due to disagreements with the Japanese supplier, they decided to create their own sports shoes. In 1971, the brand name was changed to Nike, after the Greek goddess of victory. Nike quickly expanded in the global market by focusing on innovation and quality. The brand made its presence known in the sports world by signing sponsorship deals with famous athletes and sports teams. Products like the Air Jordan sneakers, in collaboration with legendary basketball player Michael Jordan, helped Nike achieve significant success. As one of the largest producers of sportswear and equipment, Nike is present in over 100 countries worldwide. The brand has numerous stores across the globe and sells its products through official stores, authorized retailers, and online platforms. Interesting and lesser-known facts about Nike. The famous Nike logo, called the Swoosh, was designed by Caroline Davidson, a student at Portland State University. She was paid only $35 for this design, but after the brand's success, she was given shares worth over $640,000. Just Do It was inspired by the last words of Gary Gilmore, an executed criminal, who said, "Just do it," before his execution. Nike's first shoes were made using waffle irons. The idea for this design came to Bill Bowerman when he saw his wife cooking waffles. Nike has introduced a special product line for women and supported female athletes to promote gender equality in sports. Nike products have had a significant presence in movies, music, and street art, greatly influencing popular culture. Nike's headquarters is located near Beaverton, Oregon, in the United States. In recent years, Nike has made efforts to provide better working conditions for its employees and show more attention to human rights issues. Initially, Nike used skiers to test its sports shoes to add new features. In recent years, Nike has used artificial intelligence for designing and developing its products. In 2007, Nike launched a project called N7 aimed at supporting Native American athletes. In the 1990s, Nike and Adidas were in a fierce competition to dominate the global market for sports shoes and apparel. Nike won the battle by supporting major athletes like Michael Jordan and introducing the Air Jordan shoes. In recent years, Nike has taken many actions to support the LGBTQ+ community. The Air Jordan shoes, created in collaboration with Michael Jordan, became not only a cultural symbol, but also played a huge role in Nike's growth. In recent years, Nike has paid special attention to environmental issues. The Nike Grind Project is one of the initiatives where Nike recycles old shoes and uses recycled materials to produce new products. Nike has had a significant role in both sports and street culture. These interesting and lesser-known facts show that Nike is more than just a sports brand, and it has had a broad cultural and social impact around the world. From the start, Nike quickly gained a special place in the sports industry with innovative ideas and partnerships with famous athletes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.